What's up guys, and welcome back to another Lunar Classic video. Today we're going to discuss all of the Lunar Classic news that you need to know to be fully up to date, and we're going to be discussing why exactly we're seeing red in the market right now and some awesome opportunities we have in this market. With that said, if you don't know me already, my name's Connor. I'm not a financial advisor. Don't base any financial decisions like investments on my videos because you'd have to be completely insane to do so. First of all, looking at the crypto bubbles, we got red across the board here. We even got Terra Classic today down 2%. The overall market down 2%. So remember, nothing more than the overall market. So that's good to see right there. We do, however, have the volume up 24%, which is a good thing to see. Very, very nice to see. Now, the market's red. What's Bitcoin saying? Bitcoin down at 23,500. However, we did have a brief turn downwards, lower than that, all the way down to around 23,198, and now we may even be making some recovery here. The reason why we had this downturn in Bitcoin, which in turn affect the cryptocurrency market, which in turn affects Terra Classic, is we had news of the FOMC meeting, the minutes from that meeting, and the Fed sees interest rate hikes continuing until inflation eases substantially. That's what the minutes showed. You can go and check out more about the minutes and what happened in that meeting, but that's the key takeaway here. Interest rate hikes continuing until inflation eases substantially. So we did have the inflation rate come down to around 8.5%, but that is still huge, right? So they want to see that substantially come down before really any of these interest rate hikes start to chill out, which I do see coming in at the end of the year. That's why I'm always saying about being patient. We have some time here. Now is the time to find projects you personally believe in, dollar cost average, do as much research as you possibly can, and also maybe learn some new skills like trading, like different ways of research, even building a side hustle outside of cryptocurrency in order to make more money that you can invest into whatever investments you guys want to do. So that's the reason why the market is looking red today. Looking at the Bitcoin price specifically, I still think the bulls look like they are fighting harder than the bears. We can see here we were fighting against this resistance. I've said this a few times now, getting sharply rejected 3 times in a row, and then that started to dissipate here where the bulls were making more momentum. And as you can see here, we may very well have put in a higher low here in comparison to this one here. So that could be more signs of bullish momentum coming into the market. But remember, the market is in a downtrend. So this right here is known as a bear flag, more likely to break to the downside. So please do keep that into consideration. Right now, I have no trades open. The last trade that I spoke about got stopped out in a slight profit. Happy days. That's why we have really good risk management. And right now, if you did want to sign up to an exchange, you can sign up to BitGet here. And I do have $4,000 worth of bonuses down there in the description. $10,000 in total if you take into the other exchanges. So an awesome opportunity. And if you don't want to spend your time just trading yourself, you can do something called copy trading. This is something that's relatively new to me. I made a video about it on my main channel. You can check that out. It's actually on the front page. But here, you can copy other traders. Now, I suggest you watch that video first and please understand the risks here. But I did some practice trading in this. I put $1,000 into the account. And right now, we are up $168. And this is in, I think, around 4 days. So this is a pretty good return. Of course, this could go down to 0 very quickly. I could be in a loss. But if we check out the trades here, we can see that this trader is doing very well with very good risk management and very good returns here. So if this is something you want to check out, the link down there to BitGet, get yourself the bonus, sign up for a demo account so you guys can practice your trading, and then also come over and check out the copy trade feature. So let's talk about Lunar Classic. We got the burns here. We got Lunatics token first of all, 1.1 billion burn, and they are burning another 500 million, so 500 million tokens they're burning in 2 days, which could be a huge catalyst for this market. Bearing in mind, if we don't get more bullish momentum, if we do actually start to see Bitcoin drop, this probably won't have any effect on the price. I have to let you know that. But this is definitely a step in the right direction. If these sorts of burns just continue to happen over time now, we can bring this circulating supply down as much as possible, which is great news to see, right? So we still have Lunar Classics here at the top. And remember, on this channel here, I am burning Lunar Classic using the money that this channel generates for the first month right now at $309. You guys are really doing a great job here. So all you have to do, if you haven't already, smash the follow button and turn on notifications, hit the like button, and then leave a comment down there in the comment section. Say whatever you want. Maybe share this video with a friend. If you fancy it, leave your computer on, running these videos on repeat. That way we can generate as much revenue as possible, and I will burn this at the end of the month. So pretty exciting times here. That would probably put us in the top 20 burn wallets here, which would be awesome, right? I'm really excited about that. I can't wait to get it done. And in other news, we also have some news here that Vegas confirms contact with Binance. Now, I don't know how true this is. Of course, this is a rumor right now. We have no guarantee, but this is from Happy Catty Crypto, and this would be awesome if Binance do put in that 1.2% burn, because as we know, still even now, Binance is number one with the volume, with over 12% of that volume. Right now, the 1.2% tax burn is only going in on-chain, right? So we need these larger exchanges to come in and burn these tokens. That's the only real way we're gonna see any proper burns happen. Remember, this 45 million includes the centralized exchanges like Binance. That's why we need them to come on board. Now, lastly, we do also have the Fear and Greed Index sitting at a 30 today. So we have come down significantly from yesterday at 41 down to 30, which I don't necessarily think is a bad thing. We don't want to go all the way into euphoria too quickly, because that's bad. Now, one last thing that is important that isn't looking so hot is the DXY. As we've discussed a few times on the channel, when the DXY trends downwards, that's normally when we see a bull market for crypto. And here we have the DXY trending upwards and potentially having only put in a higher low here, a higher low, which is obviously a bullish thing. And the more bullish this chart is, the worse it is for crypto, basically. So that's what I'm watching very closely. And yeah, I mean, that's everything we need to know today. Hopefully I did provide you with some value, and I'll see you guys in the next one. Yo, you made it to the end of the video. I really, really do appreciate it. If you haven't already subscribed, do. But I wanted to give you a little bit of a view as to what you can see from where I'm sitting when I'm filming these videos. Of course, you guys are the ones that are supporting this channel the most, so that's amazing. Thank you so much, guys. But this is the view here. I try and work as much as I can, but I'm also trying to focus on getting back my fitness. I used to be an acrobat and a stuntman. I guess I still am a stuntman. And yeah, I'm trying to get back my fitness and trying to eat healthily, get my work-life balance back in check, and all of that sort of good stuff. I'd love to hear from you guys if you have any suggestions as to how to improve your health, how to improve your mood. I've actually given up coffee recently, which was a big step for me, and I feel so much better. I drink some black tea every now and then, but not having that caffeine kick in the morning and in the middle of the day really makes a huge difference, and working out every day also makes a huge difference. I'm not really sure why I'm sharing this. I thought it'd just be nice to have a little bit more of a connection with you guys who made it to the end of the video, because I really do appreciate it. Anyway, this is the view. I'll leave it with you guys, and hopefully if you do fancy it, you can smash the subscribe button. But I will see you guys in the next video tomorrow. Fun fact, just after filming this video, I managed to lock myself out on the balcony. So yeah, I'm now stuck on this balcony. I guess this is where I live, so I'll be updating you guys on Lunar Classic from the balcony from now on. Wish me luck.